Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete videos from iMovie app. If you are looking for a way to delete a video from an iMovie project, then the process is quite simple, so make sure you follow along. In order to delete a video from iMovie, make sure that you open up your iMovie application and then get to this main home page. Now, from the main homepage, go ahead and select a project you want to delete a video from. Once you open up the project, click on the video clip from the timeline and this will highlight the video clip. Now, click on the delete button at the bottom right corner and this will delete the selected media. Deleting a video from an iMovie project doesn't permanently delete the video from your device. It simply removes it from the project. If you want to permanently delete a video or project created by iMovie, you'll need to delete it from your Photos app or the original source. So that is how you can easily delete a video from iMovie application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.